GEA Advance is the umbrella under which GEA digitalization solution offers will be made in the future. We have started this project last year under the pretext that what our customer need is a common e-commerce platform, is a common suppliers portal where other suppliers could join in, and this collaboration with MachIQ that we have is going to provide exactly that to the customers.
So we are building an industrial network of machines and people that brings the intelligence of both of them together to maximize equipment performance. If you take Industry 4.0, right, it's basically about trust. People talk about data, but it's actually about trust, because if I'm a company, I'm asking myself, all this data from my machines, who owns that data? Who has access to this data? Why? When? For how long? And for what purpose? So if you take what's coming in terms of business models, companies need to collaborate with their suppliers in order for them to share data together and then to make intelligence together. And this means that collaboration has to be symmetric, it has to be safe, and it has to be outcomes driven for both. And we have a software for the machine builders, another software for the industrial facilities, which exchange information contextually to make this happen.
So every machine of GEA is equipped with a new QR code. So if you're at the site of the customer or the customer himself can scan that QR code and will be directly linked to the machine page in the MachIQ portal. So I can show it to you on an example, like for example the PowerPack Plus we have here. It's scanned and we will be directed in no second, and we have now the PowerPack Plus machine page in the MachIQ portal, where the PowerPack Plus has its own machine profile. Like on Facebook, you have your profile, you have your machine information there, like what are you about, what is your name, where are you located, and this is the same for the machine here. So we have the location here at our IFA now, we have a collection, so which family it is connected to. This is a packaging machine, so it's connected to the packaging family, for example. And then we also have some values which are based on the work orders and maintenance plans that are maintained in this machine page.
GEA is one of the few companies that understand that this kind of platform has to be neutral and brand agnostic. If their customers have to benefit from this, we have to be able to work with not just GEA, but with some of the competitors of GEA, some of the other suppliers of these same customers. And once we saw this commonality of vision, it made it easy for both of us to work together.
All the suppliers join in from one end and all the customers join in from the other end. So the customers are able to enjoy all the services all the suppliers offer. Because at this point of time, every supplier has its own portal. So how many passwords and usernames are the customers going to remember? And that's the whole point of our collaboration with MachIQ, and that's the way we will go in the future.